Probably not the most exciting business card print that I've done. Nut and bolt. Bolt and nut. This shouldn't take long to put together. The last little kit I did was the flat drone, as it was called. And that took me about half an hour. It was very small and very fiddly. Whereas this should be easy. It doesn't do anything special. It is what it says on the box. A nut and a bolt, or two nuts. And they do have a thread in them, sort of. Yeah, a bit of a thread. So that should go together like that. And we should be able to get these on. Well, we're part way on. Bottom edge isn't going up. We're cross-threaded. So now I'm cross-threaded that way. That's right, once it's on. It's just getting it started at the right angle. Nope, cross-threaded again. Right, did it. Okay, and that's it. A bolt and two nuts. Yeah, once it was on, once it was started straight, it goes on okay.
Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.